today's world, the essence of family seems to be fading. With the rise of individual devices and constant distractions, families often find themselves drifting apart. It's a sad truth that more often than not, we find ourselves isolated in our personal bubbles, neglecting the people closest to us. In my own family, we noticed this shift and decided to make a conscious effort to reclaim our family time, using shared activities like watching TV as a way of bonding and reconnecting. One of the most cherished habits in my family is our time spent together watching television. Every day during lunch and dinner, we gather around the table and share stories from our day. These moments are important because they allow us to reconnect, discuss our thoughts, and express emotions that we might otherwise keep to ourselves. Afterwards, we all head to the living room, each of us finding our place on the couch or the armchair and settle to watch our favorite TV shows. Growing up, watching TV was one of the few times when my family could be truly present with one another. We could relax, escape the pressures of the world, and enjoy the moment without distractions. It wasn't just about the entertainment value of the shows, it was the collective experience. The conversations, laughter, and emotions we shared as we watched new stories unfold together. Looking back, I now realize how much those moments shaped the foundation of our family's bond. It wasn't just about the shows, it was about how they brought us closer, helped us communicate better, and gave us the safe space to process life's changes together. Over the years, our choice of TV shows has evolved as we've gotten older. From the light-hearted cartoons of Chip and Dale and Mickey Mouse when we were younger to the more serious dramas like This Is Us and Suits, these moments have left lasting impressions. The shows we watched even helped us shape our values and improve our relationships with one another. For instance, I vividly remember one of the times we watched Young Sheldon together and the episode where George Cooper, the father, unexpectedly passes away. The suddenness of the loss hit us harder than we anticipated, and we found ourselves sitting in silence afterwards, trying to process our emotions. The show's portrayal of grief and the family's reaction prompted a conversation about love, loss, and the importance of cherishing the time we have with our loved ones. It wasn't just about the TV show, it was about using that emotional moment to open up dialogue within our own family. That evening, we spoke openly about experiences with grief, something we hadn't really done before. TV had provided us with a safe way to address an uncomfortable topic, and it brought us closer together. Other shows like This Is Us and Good Luck have had similar impacts. For instance, This Is Us focuses on the complexities of sibling relationships and family dynamics, and watching it together has often sparked deep conversations about our own family bonds. We've discussed how we navigate difficult situations, support one another through tough times, and celebrate the good moments. Good Luck has been another show that, while light-hearted, has offered us the opportunity to reflect on the joys and struggles of middle-class family life. It's shown us that even in the midst of challenges, there is humor and love to be found. I have grown to really love and connect with the story. The beauty of watching TV as a family isn't just in the entertainment, but in how it allows us to reflect on our own lives. These shared moments of screen time have become more than just a way to unwind after a busy day. They've become a bridge for deeper conversation. Whether it's discussing moral lessons from This Is Us, talking about significance of family support after watching Good Luck, or laughing together while watching Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, these shows have given us a space to connect and engage in meaningful dialogue. We've learned valuable life lessons from these programs, lessons that we now apply to our own lives as a family. Looking back, I can confidently say that TV has played a significant role in keeping my family close. The shows we watch together are not just memories, they're lessons in love, support, and understanding. These moments of connection have become foundational to how we communicate and navigate life's ups and downs. TV has allowed us to address difficult topics with empathy, laugh together during tough times, and celebrate the joys of being a family. I now realize that these shared experiences are more than just entertainment, they are a tool for growth. The way these TV shows continue to influence our values and relationships is something I hold dear. Through the shared experiences of TV, my family and I continue to grow stronger, more connected, and more open to each other's truths.